this is going to be on the closing sheets. This is cleaning the slab area. I want to emphasize all these cleaning stations don't take a lot of time. It's about doing it quickly and doing it neatly and efficiently. The first thing you want to do is you want to get a cart again. Be sure we have a clean cart. There's no point of putting mixing jars on a dirty cart, so make sure it's clean. You also want to get some water. We're going to actually clean the slab at this point. The first thing I would do is I would get the cones off your front counter, kind of the back counter so we can kind of clean. You want to get your ladles to take back to wash. And then we want to place all your jars on your cart. What I typically do is I put all the jars with lids on the second shelf, just because those don't have to be covered. I also put the squeeze bottles on the second shelf. And what I would do, once you're done, you want to get one of the cutting boards in the back to put on top, and that kind of seals it, kind of keeps it fresh. The next thing you're going to do is you want to get all your signs up. Okay, kind of put those on the back counter. Next thing we do is we want to get all the utensils. Actually, I'm going to actually pour the water first. We want to clean the slab. And a lot of times there's going to be ice on the slab, so sometimes you might need to pour this twice. Again, you always want to use cold water. Do not use hot water, because that actually could crack the slab. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the utensils in here so I know how to wash it. Get your scraper. You want to scrape all the water off. You want to get a rag. Make sure it's a clean rag. You want to get all the water off the slab. The next thing you do is you want to get all the countertops around the slab. Again, you want to make sure this is really clean. You also want to wipe down the dip well on the inside. It can kind of get grody. So we want to get all that clean as well. Then we want to get the gully. If you can imagine, all the food that was scraped off the slab is in this gully. So it's real important that we get the rag, we get underneath the lip, and kind of go all the way down and get the gully all clean, because it's really gross. And you want to do this several times. And you also kind of want to get the back side too, if you can. Get all the food out of here. Because what happens if we don't get this, that means that tomorrow's ice cream is going to have crap from yesterday on it. And that's gross. So again, this should look clean and pretty and beautiful. And it doesn't take that long. And if you can see, it took 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Yay.